11 drinks that lower blood sugar naturally. If you believed controlling blood sugar was solely about diet and exercise, prepare for a delightful surprise. In this captivating guide, we'll explore 11 beverages that not only naturally reduce blood sugar, but also awaken your taste buds. While diet and physical activity are indeed significant factors in blood sugar management, these beverages serve as enjoyable complements to your efforts. 1. Green tea, a natural blood sugar regulator. Green tea is a time-honored beverage celebrated for its remarkable health benefits, and its potential to support blood sugar regulation stands out. At its heart, green tea's secret lies in its powerful antioxidants, particularly the standout, epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. These antioxidants act as your body's diligent aids, improving insulin sensitivity. Picture your cells responding to insulin's guidance like expert backup dancers, contributing to blood sugar control. But that's not all. Think of green tea as the smooth DJ at your post-meal event. Research reveals its ability to slow down carb absorption, ensuring your blood sugar rises gradually and preventing wild post-meal fluctuations. With centuries of tradition behind it, green tea is your not-so-secret weapon for managing blood sugar levels and adding a delightful twist to your daily routine. 2. Cinnamon tea, a sweet and spicy aid for blood sugar control. Cinnamon is no ordinary spice. It's a blood sugar ninja. Its remarkable superpowers include improved insulin sensitivity, acting as an insulin's welcome mat, and allowing cells to readily absorb glucose. This leads to lower blood sugar levels and fights insulin resistance. Imagine cinnamon as the mediator that resolves the tiff between cells and insulin, bringing your blood sugar back in line. Additionally, it's like a firefighter tackling inflammation, a common disruptor of blood sugar control. Cinnamon's anti-inflammatory abilities keep things calm and collected, preventing inflammation from disturbing your blood sugar balance. Chronic inflammation can mess with blood sugar control, but cinnamon's anti-inflammatory powers come to the rescue, keeping things cool and collected. 3. Apple cider vinegar, a tart tonic for blood sugar control. Apple cider vinegar isn't your ordinary vinegar. It's the renegade in the realm of blood sugar management. Its impact is revolutionary. ACV slows down carbohydrate digestion. Its acetic acid inhibits the enzymes responsible for breaking down carbs, ensuring a gradual carbohydrate absorption process. Picture it as the vigilant bouncer at the carb party, telling carbs to take it slow. This prevents roller coaster blood sugar rides after meals. ACV is the unsung hero before meals. It swoops in, taming post-meal blood sugar spikes. It's your secret weapon, especially in Team Type 2 diabetes. ACV excels in keeping you full and satisfied, reducing the urge to snack on carb-heavy treats. It's a dual victory for blood sugar control and your waistline, making ACV the rebel with a cause in your blood sugar game. 4. Lemon water, the zesty sip for blood sugar harmony. Lemon water isn't just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse for blood sugar control. Here's the juicy scoop on how it works. Lemons, known as the superheroes of the fruit world, have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause blood sugar spikes. This benefits glucose stability. Moreover, lemon water can assist in maintaining a healthy weight, a vital aspect of blood sugar management, thanks to its low-calorie, filling nature. Many people begin their day with lemon water to jumpstart hydration and digestion, making it a refreshing and healthful choice for stable glucose levels. 5. Fenugreek tea, spicing up blood sugar management with flavor and function. Welcome to the aromatic world of fenugreek, a spice renowned for its unique flavor and remarkable health benefits, particularly in blood sugar management. Fenugreek tea has a clever trick up its sleeve. It slows down carbohydrate absorption, ensuring a gradual and stable rise in blood sugar levels. This magic is made possible by fenugreek's soluble fiber, which acts as a brake at the carb party, preventing sugar roller coasters after meals. Fenugreek tea isn't just about flavor, it's all about function. Its soluble fiber and blood sugar balancing compounds turn it into your secret ally in the battle against blood sugar woes. Moreover, it takes charge of your liver, curbing excess glucose production and keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Fenugreek is the manager your glucose factory needs. 6. Ginger tea. A sip of spice for blood sugar bliss. Ginger, a spice celebrated for its rich flavor, brings a delightful twist to blood sugar management. Its bioactive compound, gingerol, holds the key to better blood sugar control. Ginger enhances insulin sensitivity, a vital aspect of blood sugar regulation, especially for those with insulin resistance. Additionally, it curbs post-meal blood sugar spikes, maintaining steady glucose levels throughout the day. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties combat chronic inflammation, indirectly supporting healthy blood sugar levels. In the world of culinary delights, ginger emerges as an unexpected yet powerful ally in the battle for stable blood sugar, making your meals not only tastier but also healthier. 7. Bitter melon juice. A potent elixir for blood sugar control. Bitter melon, renowned for its distinct taste and potential health advantages, has a rich history in traditional medicine as a blood sugar regulator. It boasts bioactive compounds, including charantin, which facilitate blood sugar reduction. By enhancing insulin production in the pancreas, it promotes efficient glucose utilization, leading to stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, its abundant antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamins A and C combat oxidative stress, reducing diabetes-related complications risk. Bitter melon's vitamins and antioxidants boost the immune system, crucial for individuals with diabetes, who are often more vulnerable to infections. This unique fruit isn't just a culinary oddity, it's a treasure trove of bioactive compounds that wield incredible effects on blood sugar management. 8. Aloe vera juice. A soothing solution for blood sugar control. Let's unlock the treasure trove of aloe vera and its incredible potential for diabetes. Beyond skin and digestion, aloe vera emerges as a potent ally in blood sugar control. Its superpowers include enhancing insulin sensitivity, maintaining morning stability, optimizing glucose metabolism, and battling inflammation. Aloe vera is a hub of vitamins and antioxidants that strengthen the immune system, vital for diabetics who face infection susceptibility. Moreover, it aids wound healing, a common diabetic concern, by soothing and hydrating the skin, potentially averting complications. Aloe vera isn't merely an ornamental plant, it's a dynamic force in the realm of diabetes management. 9. Turmeric tea, the golden elixir for blood sugar control. Turmeric tea, a golden elixir, is a game-changer for blood sugar control. Turmeric, celebrated for its vibrant hue and earthy taste, harbors the potent compound, curcumin, that champions blood sugar regulation. By enhancing insulin sensitivity, curcumin paves the way for efficient insulin utilization, ensuring stable blood sugar levels, a boon for those grappling with insulin resistance. Additionally, curcumin's guardian angelic qualities shield against diabetic neuropathy, preserving your nerves from tingling or numbness. Moreover, turmeric, diabetes nemesis, allies with the liver, optimizing glucose processing and alleviating the strain diabetes often inflicts. Turmeric tea is not just a beverage, it's a golden solution for managing blood sugar. 10. Hibiscus tea, a floral solution for blood sugar control. Hibiscus tea, crafted from the vibrant petals of the hibiscus flower, emerges as both a delightful brew and a natural remedy for blood sugar management. Rich in anthocyanins and polyphenols, this tangy beverage holds the key to regulating blood sugar levels. How does it work its magic? Hibiscus tea whispers to your digestive system, "Take it slow, carbs." By slowing the sugar rush, it becomes your steadfast companion in maintaining post-meal blood sugar stability. Ever heard of insulin sensitivity? Hibiscus tea scores an invite to that party, ensuring your cells respond favorably to insulin, effectively becoming its cheerleader. Equipped with antioxidants, hibiscus tea battles oxidative stress, the notorious culprit behind diabetes-related complications. It's more than just tea. It's a blood sugar ally. 11. Splish, splash, water, your blood sugar's best friend. Water is more than a thirst quencher. It's a silent hero in the battle against blood sugar spikes. Proper hydration plays a pivotal role in maintaining optimal blood sugar levels. Picture your bloodstream as a river, with glucose as the solute. When this river becomes overly concentrated with glucose, it results in elevated blood sugar levels, which can be problematic for those with diabetes. This is where water shines as a natural diluent, ensuring the river flows smoothly. Think of water as the oil that keeps the machinery of your body running seamlessly. It helps your cells stay receptive to insulin, the gatekeeper hormone that ushers glucose in. When you're well hydrated, it's like well-oiled hinges on a door, making it effortless for insulin to unlock. In contrast, dehydration is like rusty hinges, hindering insulin's effectiveness and allowing glucose to linger in your bloodstream. Who knew that managing blood sugar could be as exciting as a dance-off? In this enlightening guide, we've unveiled 11 thirst-quenching superheroes that'll have you sipping your way to better blood sugar control. These drinks aren't just about health. They're a celebration of flavor, vitality, and good vibes. By incorporating these delicious, blood sugar-friendly drinks into your routine, you'll not only improve your glycemic control, but also find a newfound joy in maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. If you found this information valuable, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming video on protecting your well-being.